Okay, the hydraulics are connected. We're dealing with the rear passenger brake here, and we have an arrangement with a banjo, and then the actual fitting that the brake pipe goes into, that's all tightened up. And there are two washers, two copper washers, one large one at the back and then one small one towards the front at the brake back plate. And they look like this. There's the small one which goes towards the back plate, and the large one which goes towards the centre of the car. So those are fitted. Now we're just going to pop the bleed nipple in here. Maybe I'll just put a little bit of rubber grease on it for the threads. It should be fine. Just going to tighten that up. Tighten in a little bit. That should be good. Alright, that's good. Not too tight. Okay, hydraulics are done. We've got that rubber boot on for the handbrake cable. Handbrake cable is here. We'll put that on in a minute. And the next thing is the brake shoes. Most difficult bit. So in terms of orientating the brake shoes, this is the rear passenger left-hand drive car, of course, so the cylinders towards the front, and the shoes should be orientated this way. So the little notchy thing on this brake shoe will fit in with the adjuster, which is going to go here, and then on the top, this piece will fit into the top of the brake cylinder, and the springs are organized this way. So this long one with the long piece in the middle goes towards the front, and goes towards the brake cylinder, and this short stubby one towards the back of the car, I think. Now I'm just going to get this over here, if we can. Oh my God. Okay, I think that's it. It is on. Now we'll try and get the shoes kind of central. Okay, through some miracle, the shoes are on. It's really trial and error. Now we'll see whether we can get the drum on. Now, let's see, it doesn't really matter. There it goes on. Oh, it does. I've got to get the holes lined up, so it's got to go this way. So the drum has these two screw holes, so those have to line up with the two screw holes in the hub right there. So, oh my goodness, it's going to fit. Rubber camping hammer. I think that might be it. Good grief. I think that's flush. Now we'll put the screws back in. Okay, it's good. Now we've got the adjuster hole here. This is the Beehive Spring, and this is the tool that you use to put them on. I'm not going to film this because it's embarrassing.